Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off sync contacts on TikTok. It's very simple and easy process. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So first of all, open the TikTok application on your phone and go to your profile from the bottom right corner. This is my TikTok profile. Here you will see the hamburger menu on the top right corner. So tap on it. Then you will see different options in the bottom, so you have to select the last option, settings and privacy. Then on the settings and privacy page you will see the privacy option under account, so tap on it. Then on the privacy page you will see the option of sync contacts and Facebook friends, so simply select this option. Then you will see the option of sync contacts. You can see it's enabled. That means TikTok is accessing my contact list, and this option is to help you find and get discovered by people you know. To turn off this option, you have to simply toggle off this button. You can see it's turned off, and this is how you can turn off sync contacts on TikTok.